Hi guys, this is Rosa Carlos. Here ito po ako inside the mountain. Ganyan. So, para makapunta kami at the top of that. Ayan. So, we have to climb. But in the stairs. It's gonna be 260. 260 meter. Yan. Yung aming kinaklimb here to reach the top. But the thing is, the nature is very good, guys. Fresh air. Ayan. A nice one. Ayan tayo. Oh. And this is not yet the last. Taskani. Oh. Ayan po. This is the Ibaraki Flower Park. Not yet. Wait a minute. Ayan po yan, guys. Until at the up, a little bit more. It's just like that. And this one is only actually the flowers, but not this time. Alright. We have to do a little bit more. Okay. Enjoy. So, ayan, from there, from the top of the mountain, ayan, we go circle and in just a little bit more and more. Oh guys, finally we reached the top, and this is a beautiful, of course, autumn leaves. And here is at the top, so this is gonna be the views into here, guys. It's so nice. Wow. Ayan po yung view. Maybe I guess pag sa spring maganda ito kasi marami itong sakura cherry blossoms. This tree is maybe a cherry blossoms tree. So we have to enjoy 2 times of the year in this place, the season of this one, cherry blossoms, and the autumn. This one, it's good. Now we were in the top of the top. It's gonna have that, but I don't wanna go in there anymore. I just wanna stay here and sit. I wanna go here. Ayan. Chat. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh. Nice one. Okay. Ganyan po talagang kasabihan, guys. Ang hirap man, gaano man kahirap, gaano man kahaba, gaano man katagal, ang gagawin nating pag-angat ng step ng hagdanan is like the hagdanan that I step up coming to here. That is a big content creator does. And then tayo, we have to do our best to be like that. We have to climb all the stairs, guys. Ayan po yan, guys. That is also the meaning of that. Ayan, talagang ang being content creator is we need